Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the exact error message on your PC now. Then open Command Prompt as administrator to run ipconfig/all and inspect the results. Look for missing IP4 address or a PIPA 169. 254. X addresses that show DHCP failures. Verify the router assigns addresses by checking another device on the same Wi-Fi network for normal IP addressing. Note the router gateway IP, subnet mask, and DNS entries for later steps and troubleshooting. The primary repair is resetting Windows network components and forcing DHCP again. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to request a fresh address. Next, execute netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset to restore the TCP/IP stack to default values. After those commands, restart your PC and power cycle the router by unplugging it for 10 seconds. Finally, confirm the Wi-Fi adapter IP4 properties are set to obtain IP. If DHCP remains unreliable, assign a temporary static IP4 address within your router subnet. Set IP 192, 168, 1, 50, subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0, gateway 192, 168, 1, 1 and DNS 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for testing. Reboot the PC and the router after applying the static settings to validate network connectivity. If the static address restores access,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.